Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video on the channel. This video will go about the Corvette, and it is part 7 already. It will be about the very dirty underside of the Corvette. And in this video we will give it new bearings, a new suspension, a new exhaust, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that, guys. It barely fitted in the corner of my garage in the winter time. The dirty crossmember and the rusted exhaust like they were at the beginning. There was oil everywhere, leaks all over the place. The drive shaft already got an overhaul. The mount of the gearbox was completely rubbish, under the oil and mud, and it had to be replaced. Then the underside was cleaned by my son and it looked like this. I had to support the transmission to remove the crossmember and the exhaust. A new starter was replaced already. My son completely degreased the frame. Here you can see the brackets where the crossmember was bolted on. There was a leak on the fitment of the cable of the speedometer, and that got fixed with a new rubber washer. Here are some photos of the rear suspension and differential, just to show the difference before and after the replacement and painting of the parts. The crossmember got sanded to the bare metal, treated with some rust remover, and then protected and painted. The supports, brackets, screws and bolts got painted as well. The mounts on the frame were sanded and painted with zinc aluminum spray also. And the cross member got mounted again and looked better than new. Then the rear wheels got new bearings and the parts got cleaned, sanded and painted. The leaf spring got a complete overhaul. All the parts of the suspension got new rubbers and washers, new shock absorbers were installed, the differential got new bearings and the complete new aluminized power exhaust with MagnaFlow mufflers was installed as well. Parts of the frame got sanded and painted also. Then all the parts of the front suspension got new rubbers and washers, sanded and painted also. The alternator got brushed and painted. And here you can see how the motor looked before it got an overhaul. The pulleys got brushed and painted, and the water pump removed and replaced with a new one that had a better flow rate. Now we could reach the frame where it needed some welding, and this way we made it stronger than before. Here's the new water pump. The radiator needed a thorough cleaning so badly because it was stuffed with dirt. So we blew all of that away with some compressed air. The vent and the pulleys got brushed. The old exhaust manifold got removed. And it made for some great artsy images. Then the new power exhaust manifold got mounted. The motor got new mounts as well, so it would feel a lot smoother inside the car for sure. The painted fan and pulleys looked really amazing. The oil pan got cleaned and painted, but later on I replaced it with a stronger aluminum version that was always leak-free. This is how the Vet looks today, and in a later video we will show how it looks under the hood after some new parts and cleaning and painting. So this is a wrap for this part 7. Thank you all for watching, hope you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the bell so you won't miss out on anything in the future. Also, meet us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to get some scoop before a new release. And I will see you very soon.